So my new topic, that is Kripp jet transform algorithm. That is the another linear filtering type. Kripp jet transform algorithm. The DFT of an endpoint data sequence, that is xn, has been as a jet transform of xn evaluated at n equally spaced point on the unit circle. So it has also been viewed as n equally spaced sample of Fourier transform. So the data sequence xn, that is, we consider the evaluation of xz on other counters in the jet plane, including the unit circle. Suppose that we wish to compute the value of jet transform of xn at the set point zk. Then x zk at that point, that will be equal to limit n to 0 to n minus 1 xn zk to the power minus n, where k equal to 0, 1, dot 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 l minus 1. For the example, if the counter is a circle of radius r and the zk is n equally spaced point, then zk equal to r e to the power j 2 pi k n by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 n minus 1. So the xk, x of zk, that will be equal to summation of n minus 1, n equal to 0, xn r to the power minus n, that into e to the power minus j 2 pi k n by caps n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 n minus 1. So in this case, the FFT algorithm can be applied on the modified sequence, that is xn into r to the power minus n. So generally the zk points and in the jet plane fall on the arc which begins to at same point, some point that will be z0, that will be equal to r0 e to the power j theta 0. So at spirals other in towards the origin or outway from the origin, such that the zk will be defined as r0 e to the power j theta 0 into r0 e to the power j phi 0 into k, where k equal to 0, 1, dot 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 l minus 1. So r0, that will be less than 1, the points fall on the counter and the spirals towards the origin, and if r0 greater than 1, then counter spirals away from the origin. If r0 equal to 1, then counter is a circular arc of the radius of r0, and r0 equal to 1, small r0, and capital R0 equal to 1. So the counter is an arc of the unit circle. So the counter that will allow us the compute of frequency content of the sequence xn at the dense set of L frequency and range covered by the arc without having the compute large DFT. That is the DFT of the sequence xn padded with many zeros to obtain the desired resolution in the frequency. Finally, if small r0 and equal to capital R0 equal to 1 and theta 0 equal to 0 and theta phi 0 equal to 2 pi by n, then and L equal to n, then the counter entire unit circle and frequency will be are those of the DFT. And if you substitute the zk points in the z transform, that will be x of zk, that is equal to n minus 1 n equal to 0 to xn into zk to the power minus n. That will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 xn r0 e to the power j phi 0 minus n into b to the power minus nk. So the unit circle counter that will be just like this. That the points, if we take that the real axis of z and that is imaginary axis of z and unit circle, that is the unit circle. So that is unit circle, and if r0 equal to small r0 equal to 1 and phi 0 equal to theta 0 equal to 1, then the points are lies on the unit circle. If r caps r0 equal to 1, then that is z, that is imaginary of z. So the points, that is the unit circle, and the points lies on the plane. For r capital R0 equal to 1, small r0 less than 1, and phi 0 equal to theta 0 equal to 0, that will be 0. So by definition, that v equal to r0 e to the power j phi 0. So we can express nk, that will be half of n square plus k square minus k minus n whole square. So the xzk, that will be expressed as b to the power minus k square by 2 n equal to 0 to n minus 1 xn r0 e to the power j theta 0 into to the power minus n v to the power minus n square by 2, that will be v to the power k minus n whole square by 2. That is the expression. And if the new sequence, that will be just like, that will be gn if we consider, then that will be equal to xn into r0 e to the power j theta 0 to the power minus n here this point is xn into this, so consider this will be q minus n into b to the power minus n square by 2. So the exit will be expressed as v to the power minus k square by 2 summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 gn v to the power k minus n whole square by 2. That is the express xzk. So the summation can be interpreted as the convolution of the sequence gn with hn, where impulse response of the hn of filter that will be where that will be as a v to the power n square by 2 where. So then xzk will be represented as v to the power minus k square by 2 into yk. So that will be expressed as yk by hk, where k equal to 0, 1 up to L minus 1, and where the yk is the output of the filter, that will be like this: n equal to 0 to n minus 1 gk h k minus n, where k equal to 0, 1 up to L minus 1. So where the gn into h k minus n. So both hn and kn are the complex valued sequence. So the sequence hn with r0 equal to 1 and has a form of complex exponential with argument omega n, that will be n square phi 0 by 2. So that will be equal to n phi 0 by 2 into n. The quantity of n phi 0 by 2 represents the sequence, the frequency of the complex exponential signal, which increase the linearly with the time. Such signal are used for radar system and are called as a creep signal. Called as a creep signal. And hence the Z transform of the evaluated is called as a creep Z transform. So the linear convolution of the most is efficiently done by the use of FFT algorithm, and the sequence Gn of length L. However, the Hn has infinite duration. Fortunately, only the portion of Hn is required to compute the L values of Xz. Since we will compute the convolution via FFT, let us consider the circular convolution of endpoint DFT Gn with m point section and Hn where m greater than equal to n. In such case, we know that the first n minus 1 points contain aliasing and the remaining m minus n plus 1 points are identical. To the result, we obtain the linear convolution of Hn and Gn. In view of that, we select the DFT size of m, that will be L plus n minus 1, where L valid points and n minus 1 corrupted by aliasing. So this section Hn is needed to computation correspondence to the values of Hn for minus n minus 1. The range will be minus n minus 1 less than equal to n less than equal to L minus 1, which is the length of the m equal to L plus n minus 1, as we observed in the last sequence. So let us define H1n. H1n as a H n minus n plus 1, where n equal to 0, 1 up to m minus 1. So compute the m point DFT via FFT algorithm to obtain H1k, and from the Xn we compute the Gn and padded with Gn with L minus 1 zeros and compute m point DFT if we yield Gk, and the IDFT of the product Y1 k, that will be equal to Gk into H1k, yields the end point of the sequence, where the n, that will be 0 to m minus 1 point. So first n minus 1 point, that will be correspondingly aliasing and are discarded. So alternatively H2n, that will be some sequence that will be just like H2n, that will be Hn if 0 less than equal to n less than equal to L minus 1 and equal to n minus capital N minus L plus 1 if L less than equal to n less than equal to m minus 1, where the m points DFT of H2n and yields to H2k, that multiply with the Gk, the point will be just like this, Y2k equal to Gk into H2k, and the IFD of the sequence, that will be found. And so the desired value of Y2n, that is the range of this, and so that Yn equal to Y2n, and here that is found Yn, that will be Y1 n plus n minus 1. So finally the complex values of xzk are computed by dividing yk by hk and k equal to 0 to 1 up to L minus 1. So in general, the computational complexity of Z transform algorithm described in the above, and the order, that is m log to m complex multiplication, where m, that will be L plus n minus 1, and this number should be compared to the product. L is the number of the computation required in direct evaluation of Z transform, and clearly if the L is small, direct computation is more efficient. However, L is large, then the Cripps Z transform algorithm is more efficient than the other. So in our next class we will describe the hardware implementation of CRIP-Jet transform method. So thank you for watching the video.